Okay, so now we're going to take what we used on the driving range. We're going to apply it now that we're out here on the golf course. So I want you to do the same thing, same swing thought, where you're taking it back over that spot about 6 inches behind the ball, and then again you're bringing it through so that we're getting you started out on line, because once we get you there, you seem to really have control over your distances instead of getting stuck and kind of not knowing how you're going to be able to get through. But how did you determine how far you were, or do you just do it by sight? How do you play these shots?
Sometimes I use a rangefinder. I'm starting to. I try and always shoot it. I am kind of a field player, so
Okay.
just by looking at this, seeing it's a little bit uphill, the pin's in the back, I can kind of, think about what type of shot I'd want to work into this.
Okay.
But I'm not 100% rangefinder dependent on these shorter shots like this.
Okay. But you didn't shoot this shot?
I haven't yet. No.
Okay. No, if you think that you've got the distance control and you're comfortable with that, I think that's just great because you are more of a field player.
Yeah.
So I want to see you hit this shot, and we'll see how you have transferred your practice onto the course.
Awesome.
So not your best,
Not
shot.
my best shot, but there's a lot of good things, I can take away from there. I wanted a lower wedge shot.
Good.
And I wanted to work it in right to left, being where that's, the flag's on the left, there's a lot of green right.
Absolutely.
I just kind of didn't get it started off right.
Yep, so kind of didn't quite get it back on that spot like we were hoping to.
I did miss my spot on the way back.
That's all right, but that's good that you were able to see, you didn't quite get it on that spot and tried to save it, which is great. I mean, it's not a bad shot. You're putting.
Yeah,
but
I can make par.
You being able to see, oh, I didn't quite get my spot there, that's a huge part of it, because then you know what you're doing on the course even when I'm not here.
Right.
So, but that shot looked great. The trajectory was great, a little bit lower, but like how we had worked on it. So I think overall you should be extremely happy with that shot, and with a little bit more practice, you'll be able to take it from the driving range onto the course.
Yep, a couple more lessons.
Couple more lessons.
Thank you.
Of course.